back to Glory Homemaker. Thank you for stopping by. In this video I want to show you how I cook bitter leaf soup at home. Let's get cooking. So here are my cocoyams. I have to cook it till it's tender. This cocoyam will serve as the thickener for the onugbu soup. I'll close the pot now and come back when it's soft and tender. In another pot I have the beef and the assorted meat. I'll go ahead and add in the Kpomo. I add in the washed stock fish. I add in seasoning cubes, press it in and spread evenly. Add in salt. Mix the ingredients in properly. These three I'm cooking together have the same cooking time. That's why I'm cooking it at the same pace. The heat is on now, so I'll cover it to boil. So the meat is boiling so beautifully well. It has brought out its own juice. If you observe, I didn't add onions to this because onions will make your thickener watery. So at this point I'm going to add water and allow it to cook till tender. Here comes in the water. The water should be proportionate to the quantity of thickener that you are using so that the soup will not be watery. So I will have to cover it now to cook more. This is my bitter leaf. You can see how I'm washing it. If you got from the market, sometimes it still have some bitter taste. I don't like boiling my bitter leaf. I don't want to lose any health benefits. So I keep washing it this way till all the bitter, all the greeny things, most of it is gone. Then I squeeze it out. You might have to do this 3, 4, or 5 times. Squeeze it out and transfer into a bowl. Let's check on the cocoyam. So with my fork, I bring out one. So you press it in, now it's soft, you can see. It's ready for pounding. So the cocoyam, I run it through cold water so that you don't burn yourself. Then you peel out the back and add in the mortar. You can use your blender processor for this, but I prefer to use my mortar. I'll go ahead and pound the cocoyam, which will serve as the thickener for the onugbu soup. So I've pounded it well enough, and there are no lumps in it now. So I'll transfer it out into a plate. So I'll go ahead and blend the pepper. You can see my yellow pepper with the red ones. This yellow pepper is very nice in soups. It gives it a very special flavor. The meat has cooked tender enough. So now I add in seasoning. If you remember, the other seasoning was to season the meat. Add in salt. I add in palm oil. Your oil is very important for your local Nigerian soups. If your oil is bad, your soup will not come out well. I'll add in the pepper and the crayfish. Then I stir in to mix properly. I test now. You can go ahead and test yours. My own is perfect. I add in the cocoyam in bits. So now I add in the Ogiri Igbo. I'll have to dissolve it with some of the stock. I don't want anybody chewing on it if it's not well dissolved. So I stir everything in now. Then I cover it to boil and allow the cocoyam to dissolve properly. Okay, this has been boiling for 20 minutes now. You can see how beautiful it is. Then I'll have to stir in the cocoyam that are all dissolved now. You can't see any lumps anymore. I add in the washed catfish. I use salt to wash this so that it wouldn't retain any sand. So I stir it in. At this point, I will introduce the bitter leaf. I'll mix it in properly. Look at that. Wow, this soup is so delicious. I can already see it. I can already feel it. So if you're not sure of your seasoning, you can adjust yours now. You can test your seasoning now. Mine came out perfectly well. Please subscribe to my channel to support the work that I do. You can also like and share this video. Your subscription is absolutely free. You will not be charged a dime for subscribing. You can share this video. It might be of help to someone else. So at this point, we are going to go ahead and cover this for 10 minutes before I take it out from the heat. Can you see this Ofe Onugbu boiling so beautifully well? Bitter leaf is the only vegetable I cook longer than others because it's a little bit tough. So here is the final turning, and this our Ofe Onugbu is ready.